Across ancient shores, early cranes with wooden beams and counterweights aided monumental harbor projects showcasing humanity's first taste of mechanical leverage. In medieval cities, windlasses and treadwheels turned stone to towers, fueling cathedrals and bridges with a disciplined rhythm. The Industrial Revolution unleashed steam and hydraulic power, as exemplified by London's great riverfront cranes and America's mighty dams shaping modern landscapes. Post-war advances brought electrification and diesel beasts, with Japan and Germany leading precision excavators that rebuilt towns while redefining urban planning. Today, automated excavators and AI-assisted planning push efficiency, safety, and sustainability, echoing a long lineage from rope and timber to networked megastructures.